Hello Class 1! Today in Literacy you are going to be retelling the tale of Peter Rabbit. You have 2 activity sheets to complete today. For the first activity you are going to order the pictures to show what happened in the story. Once these pictures are in order, you can use them to write your story retell. If your pictures are all jumbled up, your story will be too. So let's look at the pictures together and think carefully about how to order them. Pause the video while you cut out all the pictures in your pack. Press play when you are ready to continue. Let's remind ourselves what is happening in each picture. In this picture, Peter's sisters, Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail are enjoying their supper. Here we can see Peter stuck in the fence. This picture shows Peter talking to the little field mouse. In this picture, Peter has stumbled across Mr. McGregor. In this picture, Peter is enjoying delicious carrots in Mr. McGregor's garden. Here we can see Peter hiding in the watering can. This is when Peter found a cat near the pond. In this picture, we can see Peter's coat hung up in Mr. McGregor's garden. The last picture shows Peter's mum sending him and his sisters off into the fields to pick blackberries. Let's order the first 3 pictures together. Which event happened first? First, Peter's mum sent him and his sisters into the field to pick blackberries. Stick this picture in box number 1. What happened next? Next, Peter snuck into Mr. McGregor's garden and ate his carrots. Stick this picture in box number 2. What happened after that? After that, Peter bumped into Mr. McGregor in the field. Stick this picture in box number 3. Pause the video while you stick the rest of your pictures on your first activity sheet. Press play when you are ready to continue. Now we have ordered all of the story pictures, we can write our story retell. Here is my first sentence. Read it with me. One sunny morning, Peter's mum sent him and his sisters into the field to gather blackberries. I have remembered to use a capital letter for the start of my sentence and for Peter's name. I have also used an adjective to describe the weather. Here is my second sentence. Let's read it together. Peter decided to sneak into Mr. McGregor's garden and ate lots of delicious, fresh vegetables. I have remembered to use a capital letter for Mr. McGregor's name, and I have used 2 adjectives to describe the vegetables. Here is an exciting time connective that I am going to use in my next sentence. You might want to use this time connective in your story too. You can now write your story retell of the tale of Peter Rabbit. Remember to use capital letters, finger spaces and full stops in your sentences and read your writing to check that it makes sense. Don't forget to email me a picture of your wonderful writing when you are finished.